palakpak ng pakipay sila ng Shara.
Ganon, kaya pala hindi sila pumapalag.
And followed by
Paitan talaga kita.
faculty and staff of Agdan National High School.
again, faculty and staff of Agdan National High School is headed by Sir Leonardo B. Balapon, school principal. Okay po, fellow teacher.
Kaya ka combination ka niya sa kabulunong matingka. Ay nabuhay.
Na sugat na maray.
Ganda ng kulay.
Oo.
Tapos ikasali mo ng ikin. From Agdan National High School.
Ay, agupalan. Huwag na. Wow, nakabarita ka mo. Lahat mo ng pauhan ka.